Hi everyone. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing the makeup look that I'm wearing right now. It's actually inspired by a lot of different Instagram posts that I've seen lately. A lot of people are doing like the butterfly eyeshadow, and I kind of wanted to do my own take on it. So I hope you guys like this video and give this video a thumbs up. Without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright guys, so I already did my brows off camera and also one of my eyes. For my brows, what I used was the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream in medium brown. And then the brush that I used was the e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo brush. And then just the gel that I passed through them was the e.l.f. Treat and Tame. I'm going to go in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00. And I'm going to use the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. And to set the concealer, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Powder in Translucent. And I'm going to set that with the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. So the palette I'm going to use is the Morphe James Charles palette. The first shade I'm going to be taking is this shade called B. And I'm going to take this on a Morphe M124 brush. So the next shade I'm going to take is this orange shade up here. It's called 518. And I'm going to pack that on using the Bodyography Pro Flat Shader Brush. And the third shade I'm taking is this shade, pink shade right here. It's called Skip. And I'm just taking that on a Wet n Wild large concealer brush. So I'm going to just go back into those same three shades and just intensify the colors more. Okay, and now using the NYX Epic Ink Liner, I'm just going to start drawing out the butterfly wing. So now that I have the black outline, what I'm going to use is I'm going to go back into that Colourpop concealer. I'm going to take the Real Technique silicone liner brush and just start dotting that along the black line. Now I'm going to use the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water just to clean up all the fallout that I have and also to clean up this edge. Okay, now to move on to the face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus Face Primer. It's the mattifying one. For foundation, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus Foundations. I'm going to mix two of them. I'm going to mix Amber, Beige, and Cocoa. And I'm just going to start blending that out with my Eco Tools facial sponge. For concealer, I'm going to take the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in Tan Sand. Right, to set my face, I'm going to use that same Kat Von D translucent powder, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. small taper brush. Finish up my eyes, I'm going to use the Luxie 221T brush, and I'm going to just use the same three shades, Skip, 518, and B in the under eye. And for mascara, I'm going to use the NYX On The Rise Volume Mascara. Okay, to contour my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Megaglo Contouring Palette in Caramel Toffee. And I'm also going to go in with the Royal & Langnickel Moda Pro Pointed Blush Brush. For blush, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in Always Rosy, and I'm going to use the Luxie 640 Pro Precision Tapered Brush to apply it. For highlight, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Frost and Frozen Peach. On the Crown Pro C513 brush, I'm going to just take the shade called the Ring Light, and I'm just going to use this to highlight underneath the brow and my inner corner. Okay, now for the lips, I'm going to take the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Thursday. I actually forgot to highlight my nose, so I'm actually go back into that Jeffree Star Liquid Frost and Frozen Peach. Alright, and then just the last thing, just to set my face, I'm going to use the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. That way you get a notification every time that I post. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I'll be posting pictures of this look on there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.